Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're new. I'm so sorry that I have kind of been AWOL. Life has just been busy, but I'm back and hopefully I will be posting weekly and consistently. That is the plan, as long as things go smoothly. So today I want to show you guys how to decorate some donut cookies. They're super easy, and I think this is the perfect, what would you call this, style of cookie, decorated cookie, for somebody that's beginning. They're barely learn how to bake and decorate, or they want to learn how to decorate cookies. It's even fun to do with the kids. So I was going to make some to take to work, so I just figured I would record and show you guys how I do them. These cookies are funfetti flavored. They're already baked, but I will leave my cookie dough recipe down in the description for you guys with instructions as well. But I had already baked these by the time I decided, hey, I should record. So they're funfetti flavors. The girls at my job love funfetti. So let's get started. Let's get right into it. So I have some thick consistency royal icing here. And all I do is line the middle circle. And I am not neat at all. I'm kind of just moving around. You know, when you go to the donut shops, the glaze on top, it's not perfect. It's kind of running off the sides. It's kind of not covering the whole donut. So that's the goal here. So this is a thicker consistency royal icing. And then you come in with what you call a flooding consistency. And the thick consistency royal icing is to help the flooding royal icing not fall off the edges. But in this case, it actually would have been fine because we aren't being very neat. Oh my gosh, I just realized I forgot my sprinkles. This one won't have sprinkles. I'll show you guys a different way. So I have this all nice and filled. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Donuts are perfect no matter how they look. And then I'm just going to take some pink. And you can do this while it's still wet or let it dry for like half an hour. But I like doing it while it's wet because I like when it melts in. And just take it and drizzle it across. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. And if you're wondering why I'm using pink and blue, those are the studio colors for where I work. One second, let me grab those sprinkles. So I also have some sprinkles here. Okay, let's do another one. Go back in with that thick royal icing. Create your border. I have a shaky hand, guys, just from decorating so much. I've been doing this for a few years now, so I kind of have to support my hand. And then come in with that flat consistency and just fill it in. So how has everyone been? Some really cool things have been happening, guys. I sent some cookies to, I don't know if you guys know them. If you don't know them, definitely check them out. They're so funny. To Haley and Alex, they are YouTubers. I should link their channel in the description also. They're so funny, guys. I love watching them. They're one of the first YouTubers that I started watching. Okay, hold on. So take some sprinkles with a clean hand or a spoon. My hands are clean, but I just didn't want to touch them and freak you guys out. And just sprinkle them on to that wet icing. Super cute. Look at how pretty these sprinkles are. I made those. I just bought a bunch of sprinkles that I thought were cute and put them together. Anyway, so I sent them some cookies, guys, and they loved them. I was so excited. They loved them. They messaged me on Instagram and they were so in love with the cookies, and I was just over the moon. So that was really exciting for me. But yeah, make sure to check them out if you guys like watching couple YouTubers that, you know, prank each other or vlog. They were one of the first YouTubers I started watching. So I'm just gonna do another cookie. Sorry, I feel like I'm talking your guys' ear off. But do you guys see how easy this is? I'm already on the third one. And they're really cute. You can't go wrong with these. I made some of these for my goddaughter's birthday party. Her theme was, if you guys have seen Wreck-It Ralph and you know who Vanellope is, and her little game is like Candyland theme, that's how we did her party. She loves that movie, so I made donut cookies and I just fell in love with them. I want to make them every day now. They're so cute and simple. I think I'm gonna even make some for my son's teacher. Good gifts. Who doesn't like donuts and cookies? And I'll show you guys how I package them also. So I'm just switching out. Some are drizzled, some are sprinkled, some maybe I'll just leave them plain. And I will show you guys how I package them. I have some that are already done and dried. It is important that you guys let these dry for at the very least 6 hours before you try packaging them, because you will ruin your frosting and they won't look cute anymore. So Carlos bought me this really cool heat sealer on Amazon. I freaking love this thing. So sorry, I'm trying to move my hair out of my face without touching it. And I also got these bags from Amazon. If you guys want, I'll link it in the description also. So I have these here. They're already dried. So like I said, at least 6 hours. I like to leave them overnight, at least 12 hours, but 6 hours should be good. And just pop them in the bag. And it's super fast and easy. Did you hear that little click? That means it's done. Pop it off. And it's sealed in this cute little bag. And I also love this heat sealer because when you seal them like this, it increases the shelf life of them. Like, they can last a couple months in these bags. It keeps them fresh and delicious. On Mother's Day, I had a bunch of cookies left over, and oh, you know what? This is a great example. I made Carlos cookies for Father's Day last year. And he literally took months, you guys. I'm not even exaggerating. Months to eat them. Like, 3 months later, he was looking for them, and I'm like, it's been 3 months. They're not going to be good anymore. And he ate them. They were still good. So this heat sealer is awesome. Invest in one. If you want to make cookies, invest in them. They're so good for gifts. The holidays are coming up. Give them to your teachers, your coworkers, or your kids' teachers. Well, you too, if you have teachers. See how cute and easy this is, guys? So cute. This kind of reminds me of The Simpsons for some reason. And that's it, guys. That's literally how simple and easy it is to do these cookies. If you saw my Fault Line Cake video, that's a disaster. I didn't know what I was doing in that video, but I will definitely be doing another one now that I know more or less what I did wrong and what I should do better. So I'll do a video better explaining how to do it. Maybe I'll do sprinkles. I don't know. What should I do? What design should I do? I also thought of doing Lion King. You know the scene where they're in the sunset and they're walking on top of the hill? Lion King fans are going to kill me for not knowing what that's called. But anyways, comment below what you guys thought. If you have any questions, I will try my best to answer them. I'll leave my recipe below. I'll leave the link to my heat sealer, the link to my bags, and the link to Haley and Alex's channel if you guys don't already follow them. And that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And thank you guys so much.